Okay, and then I will share. Okay, Janelle can see my WhatsApp.
Can see.
Okay, page 44. Nine F. 9F. 9F is page 45. 9F. Okay, so okay. Oh, very blur. Cannot see. Okay, I try to write up this. Okay, correct or not, Janelle, these questions? Here is 1. Here is negative 1. Okay, the function is this. X squared plus 1. Okay, okay, that day we have learned okay, if the area is above the x-axis is positive, below the x-axis is negative. But this one all are above the x-axis, so means we can integrate straight away one shot no need to separate in become two integral. Okay, so before that, this one you got to expand okay. So I don't know whether your expansion is correct or not after you check where is your mistake okay, so term by terms okay, first term and the first term so x to power 3. Okay, first term and the second term, so x. Then second term with the first term is x squared. And then lastly, this is 1. Okay, so I write back in the order of highest powers first. So x squared, so x and then 1. Okay, so your integration for the area, the integration will be because you are taking the value from the x, so negative 1 and the 1 here, so it's a dx, so it's a y dx. Okay, so the y is this. Now I'm going to write as this. Okay, so the integrate, okay, x to power 3, x squared, and then x and then 1. So far still correct, Janelle? I mean still same like yours?
Yes.
Okay, come. Okay, so this is x to power, okay, power up, integration, 4 over 4, 3 over 3, 2 over 2, and then this is x, okay, no need c because this is a definite integral, so 1 and negative 1. Okay, so now is the substitutions. So when substitute 1 to power 4 is 1, 1 to power 3 is still 1, 1 to power 2 is 1, and then 1. Okay, this is the upper limit, then minus for the lower limit. Okay, when substitute negative 1 to power 4 is positive 1. Okay, substitute negative 1 to power 3 is negative. And then this is positive. And then this is negative. It's still the same? Okay. Yeah, Janelle.
I think I do wrong.
Can you share with me where you get where you do wrong? You do wrong when you substitute or what?
I need to do integrate -1, 0 and 0, 1.
Or you mean you separate into two integration? You do from -1 to 0 and then 0 to 1.
Yeah.
You get the same thing one. Even though you separate them, you will still get the same thing actually. So maybe your mistake is a careless mistake along the way or what? That's all
I
only.
think so.
So if you can't find your mistake, you can snap photo, okay, and then personal WhatsApp me. Then I help you to see where is your mistake.
Okay.
So is my answer correct or not? This is question 9F. Correct, huh? My answer is correct. Okay. So for others question also the same thing. I will not explain here. Okay. If you want to ask me, you snap photo on your working, then I check for you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I will continue to the lesson. Okay. Come back to the textbook. Okay. So that day we have finished finding the area under the curve law, and then also the area between the curve and the y-axis. Okay, so now today we got one more part. Also is area, but now is finding the area between the curve and a straight line. Okay, so this one will be the index for today. Okay, today is what, 19. Okay, so still use your MX3. Okay. Region here.
Yes, teacher.
Region, your father has sent the book, but I have left school already. So, next Friday I only will go to school. So I will take your book only next Friday, huh? I
Okay.
hope, I hope, I hope nobody will take your book, huh? Okay. So the rest didn't send the MS2, please don't send already. Okay, because of 1 week time, I don't know, what will happen to your book. Okay, so when school reopen, only you send your book already. Oh, why attendance so bad? 11 only here, lor. For your information, Aksa already dropped MS, but she haven't sent the letter yet, lah. Okay, I think she will send it very soon, lah. Is it they didn't know that today got class or what? I can see Sonia still here, Ravanya here, Shahir, Vanessa. Vanessa, they don't know, man. Today got class.
I think they forgot to read it, sir.
How you want to inform them? You help me.
Maybe I inform in group.
Okay, thank you, Okay, so we continue. Okay, let us see this. Okay, between a curve and a straight line, what we're going to do. Okay, the shaded region shown in the diagram 3.1a is the region between the curve y equals to gx and the straight line y equal to fx. Okay, from x equal to a to x equal to b. Okay, so here, this one. Okay, the day I highlighted already. Okay, so this is the curve. Okay, with the function y equal to gx, and then this is a straight line y equal to fx. Okay, and then for the limit, okay, lower limit is at a and then upper limit is b. Okay, so the area of the shaded region can be illustrated as follow. Okay, so you see what they're going to do is, okay, for the curve, okay, if we do the integration, okay, finding an area under this curve from a to b, you are having this area. Okay, and then for the straight line, if you're doing the area under the straight line, okay, from same thing, the integrate from a to the b, okay, you are getting this area. Okay, so if you use this area minus this area, you are getting this area. Therefore, you want to find this area, very simple. Just get the integration of this minus the integration of this. Okay, then you will get the answer. Okay, so you just see which one is on the top of another one. For this case, the curve is on the top of the straight line. So you use the curve, the functions minus the straight line function. Okay. Yeah, the area of the shell region. Okay, the curve one is gx. Okay, the straight line one is fx. Okay, so for the both integration, at first is separate. Okay, you can combine it, become together. Means here maybe along the way you can simplify the function first before your integrations. Okay, after we will see some example. Okay, another case. Okay, this one is the straight line on top of the area. Okay, for x from the A to the B. We are only interested from A to the B. Okay, so you see the line is on top of the curve. Therefore, you got to use the line function minus the curve function. So you have a fx minus gx. Okay. Okay, see fx minus gx. Okay, so this is depend on how the graph look like lah, huh? So you just use the one on the top one minus the one at the bottom one. Okay. Okay, straight away we look at this example. Okay, example 18. Okay, in the diagram to the right, okay, the curve y equals to negative x squared plus 2x plus 8 intersect the line y equals to x plus 2 at point negative 2, 0 and the 3, 5. Okay, they have given you the intersecting point. Sometimes the question didn't give you the intersecting point. Okay, that one will be a long question. So you got to find the intersecting point by solving simultaneously the two equations. Okay. Find the area of the shaded regions. Okay, so same thing. Now you see which one is on the top of another one. So the curve one is on the top on the straight line. Therefore, you use the curve minus the straight line. Okay, you use the curve one minus the straight line. Okay, then you can combine it together. Remember, this is minus. Therefore, when you bring in, become negative x and negative 2. Okay, and then the lower limit is here. This is the lower limit, which is negative 2. And then the upper limit is here, okay, which is 3. Okay, so it's from negative 2 to 3. Okay. Okay, so here you can simplify by combine this and this. So you get positive x. This and this, you get positive 6. Okay, then you do the integrations. After that, put in the limit, then you will get the answer. Okay, look at this. Is there any other methods that can be used to solve example 18? Okay, actually there is another method you can use to solve this is by using at first this one you find. Okay, the curve one you can't use another method. Okay, the curve one you just use this. Okay, there is no another method for the curve one. Okay, you just use this and then get the answer. After that, for the area of the straight line, under this straight line, okay, actually you are seeing what? This is a triangle. Okay, so you just use the formula of the triangle. Okay, area of triangle. So here is a 90-degree right angle. Okay, here is 3, here is negative 2. So the distance here is 5. Because here to here is 3, here to here is 2. Okay, then here to here, this is 3, 5. Here is 5. Therefore, here is 5. The length here is 5. Okay, so area of this triangle, you can just use half times the times 5 times 5. Okay, the base is 5 and then the height is 5. Okay, so it's 25 over 2. Okay, then here you just use your normal integrations. Okay, after that, then you minus this 25 over 2. You will still get the same answer. Okay, this is another method. Okay, look at example 19. Okay, the diagram on the right show the straight line. Okay, this is a straight line. Okay, intersect the curve. Okay, this is a curve. Okay, calculate the shadow area bounded by the line and the curve. Okay, same thing. You see, now the line is on top. Okay, for this area. For this area. Okay, the line is on top of the curve. Therefore, you got to use the line function minus the curve function. See, the line function minus the curve functions. But before that, you don't know the limit. Ini tak tahu, ini tak tahu. Okay, so you got to find the intersecting point. Okay, by solving simultaneously these two equations. Okay, we continue. Okay, you see, this one you let it first equation, second equation. Y is this, Y is this. Therefore, okay, the right hand side one is equal to the right hand side one. The right hand side of the first equation is equal to the right hand side of the second equations. Okay, then you rearrange in general form. Okay, don't want the fractions. Okay, times 2 to every terms. Then you end up with this. Then factorize. Then you get the value for x. Therefore, here is -2. And then here is 3. Okay, this is your limit. You don't have to continue to find the y value if you don't need it lah. Okay, so you continue here. Okay, this one is the lower limit, -2, and upper limit is at 3. Okay, same thing. This one negative, remember to give for both. So it becomes minus 1/2 x squared and then -3. Okay, when you open out the bracket. Okay, therefore this is 6 minus 3, then you have a positive 3 here. Okay, rearrange them. No, they didn't rearrange. Okay lah, it's okay. Okay, just integrate. Okay, after that, just put in the limit and then you get the answer. Okay, if I'm saying the alternative way, okay, of doing this question, same thing, huh? The straight line is giving you a trapezium. Okay, the area of the straight line is giving you a trapezium. But for the curve, this part, you can't do anything. You have to just use this integration and get the answer. So for this question, that you can use another way is by finding the area of the trapezium and then minus this integration. Okay, how to find the area of the trapezium? Same thing, huh? Here to here, I need this. Okay, these two are parallel. Okay, therefore I need this length and I need this length. When you need this length, then you need the y coordinate. You need the y coordinate. Okay, therefore this one you got to substitute back to here. Okay, to get the the y coordinate. Okay, let's say when x is equal to -2. Okay, y is what? Okay, -2 and then plus 6. Okay, this is -1 plus 6. This is 5. Okay, therefore this is 5, means here is 5 lor, the length. Okay, then when x is 3 leh, what is the y? 3. Okay, 3/2 plus 6. This is 1/. So this is 7.5. 7.5. So here is 7.5, means the height here also is 7.5. Okay, then I need this. Okay, because this one is make 90 degree with the two parallel side. Okay, this one will be the height of the trapezium. So this is 3, this is 2, again this is 5 lor. Okay, so formula of the trapezium, okay, is half a plus b, sorry, okay, times h. So half, the a here is 5, the b here is 7.5, a and b make A and b are parallel, and then h is the length that make 90 degree with the a and also the b. So this is 5. Okay, then you get the answer. Then this answer minus this integration, then you will get the same answer as this. Okay, so you can choose either integrate the straight line or not. If you don't want to integrate the straight line, you can just use our normal, area of the different shape lah, to get the answer, because that one is a regular, how to say, not regular, is a fixed shape that we know the formula one. Okay, but for the curve one, no way. Okay, the curve one you still have to do the integration. Okay, then we continue. How about this area between two curves? Just now is an area between curve and straight line. Okay, so now you have a two curve. Okay, actually the same thing. Okay, for area in between two curves. Same thing. This one A is last time one is the question below. Don't see this. Okay, I'll try to write at the. Okay, so you have these two curves intersect at the point 0, 0 and 1, 1. Okay, so the intersecting point that are given. Okay, find the area between the two curves. Same thing, which one is on the top of another one? Okay, so this one is on the top. Therefore, you use this minus this. Okay, see or not? You use this minus this. Okay, and then from what to what? Okay, the limit from 0 to 1. Okay, from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1. Okay, so cube root, you can write it as a power 1 over 3. Okay, and then do the integration as normal. Okay, then after that you substitute the limit, you will get the answer. Okay, for this you cannot use the fixed shape formula lor. Okay, for the area, so both you got to use the integrations. Okay, so I think that's all for this. Then Monday I will continue for volume. Okay, so this one you can do. Okay, number 3 no need to do because this one the graph is not given. Sometimes it's difficult for you to know which one is on top with which one. If already this type of question come up, first thing you need to know how to sketch the graph. Okay, so because this I don't want to test on you how to sketch the graph. Okay, so I don't want you to do these questions. Okay, you do this only question 1 and question 2. Okay, so this one will be your homework today, and then afterwards same thing, I will snap photo on a few questions. I will snap photo on 2 pages afterwards. Okay, there got yours 6 more questions. Okay, so I think that's all for today. Okay, so now only 12:24. Okay, wait, I stop recording. I only have 13 minus 12 is 12 only though. Adoy, so bad
So
the
they thought
attendance.
what?
What?
They thought the class is 12:30.
They thought the class is
12:30.
They thought the class is 12:30 pula. I understand that I don't know from your class or not. Some of the girls need to attend Tamil class from 12:30 to 2:30. That's why Puan Guji tell us not to give extra class or replacement of class or whatever class 12:30 to 2:30. That's why that time I want it to be from 12 to 1. But then because of Puan Guji say like that, then I cut short, so it's 12 to 12:30. How can I do class 12:30 to what time? I don't know lah. Okay.
Teacher,
Vanessa. Yeah.
I'm also in Tamil class, but then our Tamil class is on Thursday. Thursday 12:30 to 2.
Alamak. I get information from Puan Gujit saying that it's Friday 12:30 to 2:30. We cannot have class. Tengok.
Oh.
But I mean very simple if you have any crash or what, you just tell the teacher, correct or not? I so don't understand. But so far y'all didn't tell me that you got Tamil class lah. But since Puan Gujit say like that, so I don't extend the class because I will assume 12:30 then is your own time already. You want to go for tuition whatever lah. Okay, but it's okay lah So actually since we still have a few more minutes, okay, I continue to say something lah. Next week, Monday, I will see you. After Monday, okay, I will not seeing you at all. Even the Monday homework, I also will not ask you to hand in. Okay, I will away, okay, from school job for 3 weeks. Okay, means when school open, if I finish my job earlier, when school open, you will see me. If I can't finish my job earlier, means when school open, you will not see me for the first week also. But when the school open time, there will be teacher relief. Go in my class and relieve me. Then I will present to you through the WhatsApp group what you have to do. Actually, what you have to do is I want you all to, Vanessa, you listen carefully, this is important, because you are the monitor here, Okay, I need your help to go to bookshop, and then you all got to collect money to buy that book. You know, you remember there is one time I snapped a photo that one book I want to use for the assessment, the PPD. Okay, then you have to collect money. Okay, as how much of money you can get, you just collect and then pay to the bookshop and then get the book from the bookshop. It like said, let's say in case like example let's say Monday you got class MS class because I don't know my timetable yet I think you also didn't get yet okay, the timetable will be different from now on. Okay, then let's say Monday you got class, so whoever bring the money on Monday just pay to the bookshop, but whoever didn't bring the money means your hutang bookshop first, but get all the books now left minus AXA so now left 21, and then I think Kritika had bought the book, so you get from the bookshop 20 books. Okay, whoever paid just pay to the bookshop, and then the balance tell bookshop hutang. Okay, so get the book. I trust you all, no, you all use the book first, your hutang at the end didn't pay ayo, I very paiseh with the bookshop one don't want please. Okay, so example if like let's say Monday got class, then Vanessa you go and settle with the bookshop, get the books from the bookshop, and then during my time I will WhatsApp you one night before tell you which page to do as assessment. Make sure that the booklet answer is not inside the book. If the booklet answer is inside the book, okay, you can all collect, and then Vanessa, please, okay, Jujo, okay, put on my table the answer booklet. Don't touch it. If my table got no place, you know, the window that nearest to my table there is like a stage like that, you can leave it there. Okay, and then you do already, bell ring, same thing, that books go and hang in, okay, put at the window there, okay, near my place. There is the stage there, okay, put that. Okay, not allowed to bring back the PBR that book to home. Hema say what? Teacher, coming Monday also what? Hema means what? CMG means what? What CMG? Coming Monday or school reopen paying wood. Coming Monday school not open, how you want to pay me money? When school open only you pay the money. Okay, so but I think you got to pay to Vanessa Vanessa had to help me I think I don't know the price yet okay, wait, let me see. This is what your form 5 form 5 study.
Teacher, is it that I have to collect book first, then the students give the money, or the students first give the money, then I give them the book?
No, you just collect whoever bring money. Okay, then I think maybe if you all cooperative enough one shot the one day you can collect finish all the money, then you just pass to the bookshop. Okay, make sure they write a receipt or whatever for you to record down how much you pay. Okay, understand or not, Vanessa?
Understand, teacher.
So you should collect the money first before you go to bookshop, easier. Got no price there here, a barcode only there. I will ask the auntie again what is the price? She didn't tell me yet look like she don't want the money like that. No price. Okay, I will ask the auntie, and then I will WhatsApp you, okay, to let you know. Okay, then example that week the whole week also I'm not around the whole week got let's say 3 days got my lesson means every day you go, I mean except the first day you are getting from the bookshop other the 2 days you getting from my place, and then let them do. I will same thing, one day before I will tell you which page to do, let them do, and then collect and then put at my place, and then another day do the same thing. Okay, reminder that book I'm not allowed you to bring back home because this is assessment. Okay, you can warn the teacher, not to say warn the teacher. You can let the teacher know that they leave you. Vanessa, please tell the teacher that they leave me one. Please tell them that Wan En give this as assessment. If any student discuss, please stop them from discussing. Okay, there's no discussions. Okay, this is to see what band you achieve. Okay. Okay, so I think I have over 2 minutes now. Okay, wait for a while. I stop recording.